Today's new recipe is base for shawarma. Hi everyone, I've come back with another new recipe, and this Turkish bread, the base for shawarma. We have taken 2 cups of flour, 75 ml of hot warm water, 1 tablespoon of yeast, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 75 ml of milk, 1.5 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, and we have parsley. That is 1 teaspoon. That's we added in the end. Now we're going to add everything together. Let the yeast activate first, and then we'll all knead everything together. See, we are going to activate the yeast. We add sugar just for activation, just a little bit, and warm water. So now your yeast is activated. See, it's foamy and frothy. We are going to add all these to the maida. This is 2 cups of maida, salt, the yeast, warm water, milk. Okay, now we'll start kneading it to a soft dough. Now we'll pour in the olive oil. So now this is a soft dough. So we'll wait for 1 hour for it to rise to double the size. So now it's really risen the double the size, and we're going to roll out into small, like the size of chapatis. We've rolled out that in small balls and like a chapati, and let it stand for another 5 or 10 minutes, and then we'll start cooking this Turkish bread. Now we're going to cook the Turkish bread, the shawarma base. We pour a little bit of olive oil on the pan. Let it get heated. Spread the oil all over. So now it's risen a little bit. So it's after 5 minutes. We're going to place it on the pan. So can you see the bubbles forming? Apply little olive oil and turn it. Now sprinkle a little bit of parsley and a little bit of chili powder, and then it's done. Just a little bit would do, a pinch. Okay. Now we can wait for the chicken pieces to be cooked and fill it and roll it. So your Turkish bread is ready. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and please do try and write some comments, subscribe, share, and thank you for watching. Bye for now from Supermom's Kitchen.